Hi, this is my presentation investigating career interests and professions. My name is Ethan Crisp, and in thinking about first the organizations, I was focusing on foreign language. That is my content area. I teach middle school Spanish. My focus, however, in this program, the curriculum instruction, is learning design and technology. And so, as I was researching organizations and looking into journals and careers, I also was thinking along the lines of how could I incorporate that technology piece. So some of the main organizations that I was looking into, the main one you could think of if you're a foreign language teacher is the ACTFL, American Council on the Teaching of Foreign Languages. Their standards are the standard. Their proficiency standards are used by Indiana for the foreign language programs. And so they also offer coaching tools and teaching resources. They have conferences. It's the most well-known organization for foreign language teachers, and so that would be an obvious option for membership. Another that I had actually not heard of, but is more on a wide scale, an American association. It's the American Association of Teachers of Spanish and Portuguese. They offer resources for teachers. They also publish their own journal they offer resources that you can use within that, like poetry and art, which are things that are often hard to nail down for foreign language teachers. Those kinds of things that you can actually use in the classroom. They also offer assessments for biliteracy certification for your higher level students. So this is a more focused organization along my content area. A little more on a smaller scale here, this state organization is one that I had not heard of, the Indiana Foreign Language Teachers Association. And so it offers a little more opportunity for local impact, which is important to me. Conferencing and networking would be a little more impactful with people who are more in my area, in the state at least, and opportunities for advocacy. And then thinking along that technology piece, the International Society for Technology in Education, they offer resources in any capacity that you can think of in using technology in education. Also, those advocacy opportunities and networking with other teachers who are using technology in different ways and unique ways. This would be a little more out of the box, but I feel if I were thinking in my move up to take on more of a coaching or a technology coordinating role, this would probably be a membership opportunity that I would look more seriously at. And thinking of some journals, there were some main ones that I was able to find. The ACTFL does publish their own journal, the Foreign Language Annals, and that provides resources, studies, as does the Language Teaching Research Journal, studies on how to improve the learner experience in learning foreign language. Same goes for the Electronic Journal of Language Learning. I did want to find a little more along the lines of technology that wasn't a little advanced from where I am now, or in the sphere that I am now, but these were some main ones that I was able to find along my content area. Looking at career opportunities, there were three main ones that I thought of, two of them local and remaining in education, and then one that's a little more dynamic. So the first that I was able to look at was department chair in world languages. This would be kind of the most direct move up within my content area. It has that mix of leadership, advocacy, and classroom instruction, even if that's part-time, right? Instructional coach is another that's more local opportunity for leadership and advocacy, and using that technology piece to help educators and to overall improve student learning. And then the more dynamic option would be as an instructional designer that goes along with my focus area in learning design and technology. Could be various fields. It could be education. It could be healthcare. It could be industry, but using that technology piece to improve the learner experience. And in thinking of kind of reflecting on leadership qualities, you can definitely tell when someone in a leadership role does not have leadership capabilities, that they're just pushing people along. You can obviously tell when people do not have the background knowledge. And so those two things are very important to me as I prepare to take on leadership roles, is having background knowledge and having the credibility as a leader to be able to have success.